Oh, look at that. Oh, the hail's getting bigger. Oh, look at those things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Wow. Okay, this is the best you're gonna get. I don't think I'm at the exact summit. I'm at I'm attempting to do the 5 Lakes Trail up to Vaseux Bluffs. I actually get to the bluffs this time. I have more trail knowledge, and I'm hoping I can come back on Mt Keogan. So it's called the 5 Lakes Trail. I believe this is all Mahoney over here. There's another one, green, that we come up to, and then you overlook Vaseux, so I don't know what the other lakes are. Ugh, spider webs. Look at how pretty it is in here.
What time is it?
It's definitely feeling like fall. It looks like. Oh. I need some photos of that. Well, wasn't that a happy little diversion? Yeah, you can tell I don't want to miss any of the views. It's making me feel like the turnoff is really close, or I might have passed it. But I don't think so, because this length should at least be a kilometer. I mean, look at all that too. I'm surrounded. You know how nice and slick this rock is. Oh, I can feel the barely traction there. Like, did you want to do that? Maybe, who knows? See where the tree broke off and kaboom all the way. It's dissolving into the earth. Mauled apart by the bears to get some extra little grubs and stuff in there. Look at all this. This is, I think, the wrong side view of what we want to be seeing, but that's still pretty. I still like that. There's a hump there, and there's kind of a final hump there. I'm hoping that's as high as I'm going. But who knows these trails? They could always hide another 100,000 meter mountain on you. You never know. Maybe not quite that high, but you get the idea. Close. 99.99. It looks like there's a diversion here. That looks like it's heading back north. This does kind of match the area. Yeah, let's just take this and see what happens. Look at that little rock. Loving life. That one's kind of got a sappy story. Okay, you can see on All Trails map, I kind of blew past the trailhead, but where is the trail?
Workout resumed.
Do you see a trail anywhere? I've gone past it again. Okay, I don't think I've got great signal for it to tell me exactly where it knows where I am. So, I'm just gonna continue this way for a short period. If I don't hook up with anything that looks like a trail, I'll continue on to Keogan Mountain. Kernan, I don't know, whatever mountain. This is exactly where the trail says I should be for that trail, but I'm coming out with Buckus. Now there is a very, very thin line here, almost imperceptible. No, this isn't a... Well... Yeah, I'm best off just doing Keenan the hard way. I don't think that's like a true trail of any kind. I don't have great cell service, and the ground is very compressed. And you're not really supposed to go off trail up here. So we'll just blow that one by, I guess. Okay, I think this trail I remember. I think we came in through there maybe. But I think we follow this along across and then up and over. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee. Okay, well, correction. I have not been on this trail yet. That's why it's taking me in a funky way. Big, beautiful rock. And at some point here, I'm going to have to swap batteries again. Okay, so I'm at an intersection here. That says that way to the 007 trail, if I'm not mistaken. And this is supposed to be go east, old man, both ways. Well, I mean, I believe we headed that way when we got to this intersection, because that's, I think, more east. But I'll head through here, because that's the way I came, and see what happens. But now that I'm on the Go East Old Man Trail, it should be a decent push up the hills and over to the top of Mt Keogan, or whatever it is. It looks like an old decommissioned trail there. So they are changing the trails up quite a bit here and there. I'm just going to check my all trails to make sure I'm on the right direction. Is this telling me I'm taking the right trail now? Oh, it's telling me I came in on this trail. It's just bogus. Yeah, I'm still... Okay, well... Now I'm going off trail. Wild. Okay, well, I'm running out of battery, so I'm going to take Go East Old Man. If it ends up that I'm ending up at Dogtown, or whatever it is, that'll be fine. Well, kind of splits in two there. Which is kind of cute. Although now I feel like I'm heading in the right direction. Okay. So there's a marker, so I'm on the trail still. I legitimately have no idea where I am. According to all trails, I'm cutting behind Mt Keogan instead of going up and around like I want to. But there's no discernible trail up and around, and I couldn't find the one that we took originally. So this one is supposed to take us to Dogtown, and from Dogtown it's a bit of a scramble up to the top. Of approximately 2.5 kilometers or so. So we shall see. Oh, lots of climbing yet. Oh. Why do I get the feeling somewhere up there is where I'm supposed to be going? I really don't like having these feelings. Who even knows where I am right now? Anyway, I could be anywhere. I remember we came up on Groovy Bob. I guess that's what they renamed Dogtown. Here's the new plan. It's 1 o'clock, almost 1:30 I think actually. And it's going to be at least another 4 km to the top, because I really scrambled down low apparently, even though I climbed all that much. So I'm heading straight back down to the beginning. I'm not going to have cell service in order to let my friend know to come and pick me up, but who knows. I got busted on this one. It is tough. It's not a particularly hard trail, but I mean, navigating is just awful. All these trails don't match what the GPS says you should be on. The names don't match. You never know if you've got signal or not, because I can't get a text message through, so Hell Trail should know where I am. But at this intersection, it should be 4 kilometers and over 220 meter elevation climb. Just climb. So I'm gonna tap out this time. Oh, we'll see what happens. Charred little feller. Okay, so is this 007 versus Keogan Mountain? Groovy Bob up, 007 out. So I almost feel, I don't know, I'm all confused. I'm turned around. I better get off this mountain. I feel we came up on Groovy Bob and then turned on 007 and then came down. Different entrance to 007, the lower part. But Yeah. I don't know if I can say right now. It's just to get to the bottom of this thing. It was funny, I went from 12 to under 5% battery right after I closed all trails. Maybe it got a little mad at me. Oh, that's kind of pretty. That should be Mahoney Lake down there. It's where we saw the bears. It's got a little salt crust to it. I don't think my hiking partner is anywhere all that close. So, having a break right now kind of makes a little bit of sense. Yeah, it does too look like Green Lake, but it's Mahoney. Huh. Crazy. Okay, well, let me find a spot. It's kind of depressing, but I mean, it is an excuse to come out again. Mt Keogan this way, which doesn't connect to Easy Bob, which I feel means that even if I had climbed Easy Bob, whatever that was called, I would not have been heading to the top of where I wanted to be, and I would have even got more lost. So probably a really good idea, even though all trails told me I was on the Dogtown run and that it would take me right to the top, but none of these trails are matching up. So I think the all trails versions are either really old or quite inaccurate. I don't know. Okay, well, looks like everything worked out in the end. Let's do it to it.